So leo ndio finali, not only the Champions League but the entire Europe. Hakuna game saizi, tunaenda break until July huko ama August. So what I got to say before this game, man, let's all watch it, let's all enjoy it, but manake after this game we don't have, not until World Cup. So we are going to miss the Premier League, we are going to miss football for like 2.5 months, I guess. Yeah, so hizi timu mbili deserve to be in the final. Hata kama huyu mmoja tunaona kama ameingia na mlango wa nyuma, lakini he still deserves to be the final. So as a football fan, natakia any team kila laheri. Mwenye atawin saa hii, he truly deserves the Champions League. Of course I would want PSG to win, but hata Arsenal wakiwin, hey boss, si they deserve it. Manake PSG ni wakali. PSG wakilegeza tutafanya nini? We are not the ones playing, sini wao. So wakiachilia, it means they did not want to win it. Itauma, lakini tutabidi tuzoee. Itakuwa tutafanya nini? Anyways, Arsenal PSG, may the best team win.